बाबूश मोन्सेरात पणजेच्यान वेंचणूक लढयतले. कुट्टाळे आनी कुमारजुआ उमेदवार घालपाचो बाबुशाचो विचार आसा. काँग्रेसीच्या मार्फत सांताक्रूज टॉनी फेर्नांडीस वेंचणूक लढयतलो, जाल्यार सांतांद्रे सिल्वेरा वेंचणूक लढयतलो म्हण बाबुशान सांगलां. आरडेक्सको आती पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
I have made myself very clear that I am contesting from Panjim no matter what. And I have said that Panjim was my priority. That if I don't contest from Panjim, then I will not contest elections at all. And then I am not here to retire yet. So, but in spite of that, there were rumors and spread by vested interests saying that saying basically I am not going to contest in Panjim. So it was high time that I had put an office basically to confirm, at least to give the people an assurance that I am here to contest from Panjim. Campaigning has already begun. Campaigning has begun actually much before I even started the office. Now, as far as door-to-door campaigning is concerned, I am in the final stage of preparing my manifesto. The moment the manifesto is ready, then I will start door-to-door campaigning. As far as Santa Cruz is concerned, that is my constituency which I was representing. That Tony Fernandez, who was a punch and who was a sarpanch earlier, he is my candidate, choice of candidate as far as the Congress party is concerned. Those two goes to Congress. Where Jennifer will be on the Congress, Santandre is Silveira will be in Santandre, and I have claimed for Cortali seat.
Okay. As far as these three seats, Santandre, Taligaon and Santa Cruz, would Babush fight on your party or you will leave it to Congress?
No, they will be on the Congress. In fact, there will be another seat where Komorza seat is concerned. That also seat, in fact, we have almost zeroed on the candidate,
okay,
which will be going to the Congress. On my party, basically, I have asked for 2 seats.
Which one?
That is Panjim and Cortali.
Since MGP is out of BJP-MGP alliance, how much you all have been trying to convince, showing that MGP can also be a part of your platform, or at one point supporting you all?
No, I don't think there will be a pre-poll alliance. There should be a post-poll alliance. Can be actually worked out. It depends on the Congress party, of course.
Okay. As far as Panjim is concerned, there won't be any changes because earlier there have been said.
As I said earlier also, I said that if I don't contest in Panjim, I will not contest elections at all. And I am not here to retire yet.